We don't ever recommend waiting for a foundation repair. And the reason that we don't like to encourage customers to wait is foundation issues only get more extensive and more expensive over time. So a small crack over time is a compromise in a foundation wall, and once that compromise is made, then it only gets exposed and gets worse over time. And so a simple solution up front can be a very big cost savings over time. So we recommend looking at and resolving foundation issues more in the immediate than the long term. And so if financing is an option that you want to exercise, KCP offers financing solutions for homeowners to help get those problems resolved while they're still relatively expensive before it actually gets too late. Even with expensive solutions and resolutions, we do have financing. We offer two plans. We have a 9.9% multi-year, you can pay it off early plan for homeowners financing. And then we also have a very popular 12-month, same as cash option. But to wait, I wouldn't recommend waiting, because that $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 fix can easily become a $10,000, $12,000, $15,000 fix just simply by waiting and exposing the compromised wall to more conditions where that foundation problem only gets worse.